Xbox One X. According to them, it's no power even when they try on a with a known good power supply. And we are definitely getting zero zip nada. Not even any signs of life whatsoever. So we will need to disassemble down to board level and take a look around and see what we find. Okay, we have the board out of the housing. Switch you over to microscope. The first thing I'm going to test today on this no power is our retimer. Retimer can cause no power on an Xbox One X. So we're going to switch over to resistance mode. Ohms. And we're going to test this retimer. Okay, we're only getting 122 ohms. That is very low. And we'll run over here and test it on this ESD IC as well. Yeah, we're only getting 123 ohms. Oh, I'm sorry. Let me connect the meter so you guys can follow along. That was smooth. Alright, so we're going to check the ESD IC capacitor. And we're getting 122 ohms. And then we'll go back to the retimer. And we're getting 122 ohms. So I suspect the retimer is the cause of our no power. That is just my guess. Either way, I think the retimer is bad. Anytime you get that rating, it's 100% pretty much. It's not always 100% that it's going to display that rate, display in that way and not be failed. I mean, it can fail without doing it, but it's usually 100% if you're getting that reading that you have a problem. So while I'm setting up my equipment, these are my expected temperatures for this job. As always, they are the expected temperatures. I do take the liberty of changing things on the fly if something else comes up. Usually it would be airflow that changes more than temperature. Switch you back to microscope. We're going to remove this retimer and put another one on and go from there. Okay, it's on there. Oh yeah, I do want to perform a test before we do anything else. I'll clean it up off screen, but I want to make sure our resistance is back to normal levels. Oh yeah, we're very high now. Okay, let's go over here to the ESD IC. Perfect. Perfect as in it's high, and that's what we want it to be, is high. So, all right. I'm going to clean it up off screen, and then we'll put it back together enough for our tests and go from there. Okay, as you can see, we are back up and running. It was the retimer that was causing our no power issue. Okay, in summary, we had an Xbox One X no power. I mean, absolutely no sign of life whatsoever. So we took it apart down to board level. First thing we tested was our retimer, and that actually turned out to be the problem. We were getting our low resistance ratings on those capacitors, the capacitor near the retimer and the capacitor near the ESD IC. So that is 100%. If you're getting that rating, it's 100% indicator that that chip is bad. Now, it can go bad without presenting with that fault, but if you're getting it, it's bad. All right, so we replaced the retimer, put everything back together, put it back together for a test, and everything is good to go. So that's all it was, another retimer job, but this time with presenting as a different fault, which it can happen on the Xbox One X with the retimer. So if you have any questions about the equipment I use in this video, take a look in the description below. They're all linked down there. If you like this video, do me a favor and hit the like button. And if you want to see more videos like it, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. You'll know when I post a video, which right now is about twice a week. If you have any questions, feel free to post them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer them or direct you somewhere that can answer them. And that's really all I had to ask of you. I really appreciate you watching. I really appreciate the channel support, and we'll see you next time.